Are you worried about how to protect yourself and your loved ones in a nuclear disaster? Let's talk about a simple step you can take. When a nuclear event occurs, radioactive iodine can be released into the air. This harmful substance can be absorbed by the thyroid gland, increasing the risk of thyroid cancer. But here's the good news. Potassium iodide tablets can help. These tablets work by saturating your thyroid with stable iodine, reducing the amount of radioactive iodine your body absorbs. It's a simple yet effective way to protect your thyroid from radiation. However, timing is crucial. For maximum effectiveness, you need to take the tablets shortly before or immediately after exposure to radioactive iodine. Keep them in your emergency kit and make sure everyone in your family knows how to use them. Remember, potassium iodide is not a cure-all. It won't protect other parts of your body from radiation and should be used alongside other safety measures like evacuation and staying indoors. In recent times, the war between Russia and Ukraine has escalated tensions globally. President Putin has repeatedly threatened to use nuclear weapons, making the need for potassium iodide tablets more crucial than ever. Please follow, comment, and share this video for more informative content. Hit the link below to order yours now. Stay safe out there.